gel in the trunk of the Batmobile. I may need it. Harley trashed the car. Looks like there was a scuffle. I need to search the area around the Batmobile. There could be a clue as to where she took Gordon. Strange. This is Gordon's pipe. Barbara gave it to him. There's no way he'd leave it. Wild country. Gordon's favorite tobacco. Gordon's smarter than he looks. Left me a trail to follow.
Oracle, I found a pipe. It has your father's initials carved on it.
It was a birthday gift I gave him last year. There's no way he'd leave it.
Exactly. The security doors are locked. I'm going to have to find another way around to get back on Gordon's trail. The wall ahead is weak enough for my explosive gel to blow through and open up a new path. Where's Gordon?
Wouldn't you like to
I'm over
know?
here.
Shut up!
Ah, you crazy bitch. Harley!
Ah!
What's he doing here? Harley!
I'm sorry, Puddin'. Don't be angry with me. Mwah!
Oh, you little minx. I can never stay mad at you.
Sorry, Z-Man. You'll have to find another way. Goodbye now.
No way past the security gate. Gotta find another route.
If another doctor tries to run and gets out of the building, then you won't. I'll just flood the rooms with happy gas and leave you to die. Hell, I may do that anyway. Sounds fun.
Get off of me!
Got it. Get down there with the others. Move it.
Okay, I hear you. I'm going.
Why does he need the doctors? I've got to save them.
Wait, it's not safe yet.
Oh, is there a doctor in the house? No? I seem to have a pile of wounded henchmen that need medical attention.
You're safe now.
I don't know what happened. 1 minute we were...
Did they have anyone with...
They took someone into the...
They obviously didn't want to be followed. The elevator appears to have been
We'll be fine. Oh no, I forgot.
And Dr. Young went...
Okay, stay...
That man saved us. I never really believed he existed.
I'll get you out of there. We're gonna be okay.